Neoprene, rubber, and dive gear looking dull or drying out? Condition and protect it with Gearaid's Silicone Protectant Pump Spray. This water-based formula restores shine and flexibility while guarding against UV damage, salt, and wear. Shake well before use. For large areas of clean rubber or neoprene, spray directly and wipe off any excess with a cloth. For smaller spots or areas near seams and other materials, apply with a thin cloth instead, making sure to coat evenly. Wipe off the excess with a dry cloth. No greasy residue, just conditioned, refreshed gear. Use it regularly on dry suits, paddle tops, masks, fins, or kayaking gear to help extend the life of your rubber components. Gearaid's Silicone Protectant. Maintain the gear that keeps you moving in the water. See the full lineup of Gearaid lubricants and antifogs online or at an outdoor retailer near you.